Okay guys, we got a package from Pasar Mini. This should be a bawang putih tunggal 500 grams. It's the packaging and the sizes. This is the order. This is the things. 500 grams, this is prices. Let's see inside this. Oh, we can open it without lid. Wow, look at that. This is so huge, you know. $500 grams. Ooh. Wow, it has been teared down. And this. The onion is very big enough. The diameter of the onion is, you can see, this is like a 1 until 2 centimeters. Yeah, 1 until 2 centimeters. It's very huge. It's huge. For union, or they said usually bawang putih lanang, this is huge. And usually we open like this. So we can see inside this. Just inside this, beautiful white like this. This is, as you can see inside this. This is the union. As white as like this. This is yellow, and when you cut it into 2 pairs, inside this like this. This is a bawang putih lanang. Okay. Oh yes, I forget to test the weight. Let me see you first. Okay, this is a kitchen scale. Let's see. Okay, this kitchen scale has been on. Let's see. $500, more than 500. Very accurate. Seems impossible to make it like that. Very good. Packages is very good. This, okay? Very good precisions. Thank you for watching.